Kind of strange. Okay, well, we got tired of playing around at 6, and we jumped it up to 12 volts. And now we'll see that young battery charger is pulling down about 2 amps. We're at the 12 volt setting. And there's a generation chamber. Now, the strange thing about this is if we can get it into focus. Let's get closer.
Bubbles seem to be much bigger, and they don't create a fizz at the top, if you can see that. Now this is with the coil dealy setup type thing. I've adjusted it so it's doing some strange stuff, but it doesn't seem to be staying suspended in the water. It seems to be not creating any sort of fizz on top, which is kind of strange because all the rest of mine have. I'm almost tempted to throw in another teaspoon of baking soda to see if it'll, finally fizz at the top. And what about the production of these big bubbles that just seem to be floating up from the bottom? I mean, our production is fairly decent. And one thing I've noticed with my torch, which is kind of cool, is let's see if I can get both of these in the shot at the same time. If I light my torch, I'll get a great flame to start off with, and then it diminishes and you see the production pick up over here. Let's try that again. Give it a few moments to wrap up. You gotta give it more than a few moments. Hold on. Maybe this will be a little better as to what's going on. I'm getting no froth at all. It's immediately going in to air. I mean to gas. I mean, it's not hanging out on the top. It's not creating a froth. I'm going to try putting in another teaspoon of baking soda. Hold on.